anyway, sorry. Got the brand new bosses made. Okay. Both the same height. 482. Got the guides, the brand new guides, right waiting to go in. These are +2, only because they're used heads. They've been used a couple of times. They're actually pretty low hour heads, but when I was removing the guides, they just didn't have the resistance that I normally would run, so I'm gonna up them 2 thou basically. So what I do is this area right here, I'll go ahead and just give it a quick polish on the mill, chuck it up in a drill chuck, and give them a quick polish. Nothing major, just with some Scotch-Brite, no sandpaper. So yeah, so anyway. Fit nice and flat up top, same with the bottom, they're all squared up. Okay, here we go. We're going to install them. I'm going to be using some red Loctite, so check it out. Okay, try to, the head sitting flat, but of course the guides are at an angle, so don't go like this. Try to do the proper angle of the guide, because if you don't, you will definitely mess the hole up. Okay, we're going to tap them. First start tapping, and then you'll feel the hole basically take over and start to control the angle ever so slightly. Okay, here we go. When it hits, don't slam it. Okay, but yet you want it to, the guide to be holding the boss in place against the solder head. Okay, so you got to give it enough to where it's gonna, just check it. Okay, that's one. Let's do the other. Don't be afraid to put a little extra on there. You can always wipe it off. I put a little just down in the hole right here. Let it run down. It's going to run down in the port, so you will have to clean that off. Okay, put it, start it. Okay, now it's basically straightened out. Here we go. Okay, she's down. Sorry about the vibration. Okay, now I'll wipe everything off. I'll take it back to the mill, bring down the guides itself a little bit, probably pretty much equal to these, and then cut it for dual springs. Okay. See you next time. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Appreciate it.